30 years ago, two visionary philanthropists, Zachary Fisher and David Rockefeller, joined forces to confront one of the greatest medical challenges of our time, Alzheimer's disease. In 1995, two institutions were founded with the goal of supporting research into the causes, care, and cure of Alzheimer's disease. The Fisher Center for Alzheimer's Research at the Rockefeller University would serve as a hub of scientific discovery at the highest level. And to sustain and expand the scope of that mission, Zachary founded the Zachary and Elizabeth M. Fisher Center for Alzheimer's Research Foundation. For both men, the cause was deeply personal. Zachary's beloved wife, Elizabeth, David's sister-in-law, Blanchette. Both families knew firsthand the devastation the disease brings, its toll on memory, dignity, and hope. Determined to turn personal loss into global progress, they dedicated themselves to building a legacy that would fuel innovation for generations to come. To lead the newly established Fisher Center Lab, they recruited Nobel laureate Dr. Paul Greengard, one of the world's foremost neuroscientists. Under his leadership, the lab quickly became a beacon of excellence, pioneering studies into how brain cells communicate and laying critical groundwork for today's understanding of Alzheimer's disease. Dr. Greengard's contributions reverberated across the scientific community. His work on cellular signaling radically transformed the way neuroscientists understand the brain, an achievement recognized with the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 2000. Today, his legacy lives on in every experiment and every breakthrough at the Fisher Center Lab. That legacy now fuels an extraordinary new generation of scientists supported by the Fisher Center Foundation. Fisher Center Director Dr. Nathaniel Heinz is harnessing artificial intelligence to study millions of brain cells from post-mortem samples. His team's goal is clear: to detect the earliest genetic and cellular changes that precede memory loss, clues that could one day help delay or even prevent Alzheimer's disease. Dr. Sidney Strickland, Fisher Professor in Alzheimer's and neurodegenerative disease, has shed unprecedented light on connections between neurodegeneration and disruptions of blood flow in the brain. His pioneering research into the vascular roots of Alzheimer's has reshaped the field and uncovered entirely new paths toward treatment. Dr. Junyu Tsao, Fisher Center Foundation Assistant Professor, is developing innovative technologies to map gene expression across entire brain regions. This approach has enabled his team to reveal previously unidentified neighborhoods of vulnerable cell types, opening the door to targeted therapies at a scale never before possible. At NYU Langone Health, Dr. Martin Sadowski, Fisher Professor of Neurodegeneration and Alzheimer's Disease, directs the Fisher Center Alzheimer's Clinical Trials Program. Unlike most pharmaceutical-driven studies, this program aims to develop trials focused on the needs of real patients, testing approved drugs in new combinations, studying their effects on early-stage patients, and exploring the effect of therapies on diverse populations of patients. Across the Atlantic, in Paris, Dr. Olivier Hermine's laboratory at the Imagine Institute is pursuing pioneering therapeutic strategies rooted in the investigation of mast cells and possible immunological causes of Alzheimer's disease, bringing new hope to patients and families worldwide. For 3 decades, the Fisher Center for Alzheimer's Research Foundation has stood at the crossroads of passion and discovery. Born out of the love of two families, it has grown into a global force for scientific progress. Thanks to our visionary founders, our dedicated board of trustees, our staff, and the partners who have helped carry our mission forward. That commitment extends not only to the science we fund, but also to the way we conduct ourselves as stewards of public trust. Our focus on transparency and accountability has earned national recognition. For 14 consecutive years, we have received the highest 4-star rating from Charity Navigator, reflecting our prudent stewardship of donor resources and placing us in the top 1% of U.S. charities. As we celebrate our 30th anniversary, we honor the vision of Zachary Fisher and David Rockefeller and the extraordinary scientists who carry their mission forward until the day when Alzheimer's is nothing but a memory.